Are you dreaming of Italy? Or maybe Sicily in particular? Because honestly, this could be your balcony, your view, your mornings with coffee in the sun, and your evenings that somehow turn into something magical. Late nights with a simple picnic at sunset, watching the sky turn gold, then pink, and then deep, endless blue. And then walking home hand in hand through quiet streets in that warm, soft night air that never really cools down. No rush, no stress. Just life, slowed down. It might feel like a dream, but here's the thing. In Sicily, it doesn't have to be. You can go full quiet village life, where everyone knows your name by day 2, or choose something a bit more lively, like Cefalu, Catania or Palermo, where the streets are buzzing and the espresso never stops flowing. Honestly, houses are everywhere. Did you know there are thousands of abandoned houses scattered all over Sicily? Yeah, like more houses than you could ever visit in a lifetime. Some are falling apart, some are hidden gems, and some are just waiting for someone a little bit crazy, like us. And the best part? Not all of them are ruins. Whether you're dreaming of a full-on renovation adventure or just want a ready-to-move-in home with a view, Sicily has it all. If you are really lucky, you find a house with great tiles and beautiful ceilings. Like this one, with a big hole in it. Isn't that charming? Well, we will fix that soon. Friends of ours is now selling their newly renovated apartment in Termini Imerese. And honestly, just take a look at this gem. It's so tastefully designed, with that perfect mix of charm and modern comfort. And the view? Yeah, it's one of those you never really get tired of. The apartment is around 100 square meters, with space for up to 5 people, perfect for family, friends, or just an extra room to breathe in. There are 2 bathrooms, one of them with a shower. Everything feels thought through, calm and just right. Well, we'll let you take it all in for a moment. Guess the price? €250,000. If you are interested in this apartment, contact us and we will provide a contact for you. If you're even more interested in buying a property in Sicily, go to our episodes number 9 and number 10. Back home in Sweden, today we would have been celebrating Valborg's night. It's a tradition where we gather around big bonfires to welcome spring, sing songs and say goodbye to the long dark winter. There's something really special about it. The fire, the people, the feeling that brighter days are coming. But we are in Sicily. So instead of a bonfire, we'll settle for lighting up the grill. No choirs, no big crowds, just warm air, good food, and maybe a glass of wine under the open sky. Different tradition, same idea. Celebrating the arrival of something lighter, warmer, and a little bit magical. And so is a bath in the Mediterranean. Maybe not warmer, but definitely magical. If you like this episode, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell. Ciao!